Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Opendoor Technologies on September the 8th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.96. And my main assumption at this very point was that we have to hit the 0.786 fib level at roughly $7.24. Then we had to have a retracement that potentially should retest. Let me show you another point in time on my previous video that should retest this line of support, and right after this retest it should hit 1.618 extension at $10.75. Guys, as you can see, this video was published on September the 8th, and take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset hit exactly to the tick $7.24. Guys, it had a retracement to the level that I marked in my previous video, this sloping line, as you can see right here. And guys, take a look what price target did it hit just yesterday. 10.75, exactly as I predicted, and it had quite a decent reaction out of this level. Guys, this is the pure evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account, you can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd, and let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and I have to admit that it is not the only forecast that I made on Opendoor. So let me show you the video that I made before my previous video on September the 2nd. And here you can see that we were at $4.45, and I drew this line of support, and I told you, you can prove my words by watching this video at 12 minutes and 14 seconds timestamp. And I told you at this very point that this bottom should hold in order to remain bullish, and I marked this price target at $10.75 on September the 2nd. And the title of my video is following: $10.75 price target confirmed if this level holds, roughly 138% profit potential within weeks. So guys, you can see that technical analysis works perfectly well. That is why you can rely on my forecast as a part of your due diligence. And for now, I want to show you some news that was the reason of this I would say, extremely harsh movement to the upside. And let me show you the general sentiment for open stock. If you type on Google search bar open stock and switch to news tab folder, you will find a lot of news that are describing one way or another the most recent price action of Opendoor Technologies. And one of the most recent news that was published on CNBC is following. Opendoor stock closes 78% higher after company names new CEO. And here is this article in details. Let me quote just bullet points. Opendoor named former Shopify executive Kaz Nejatian as CEO. Co-founder Keith Rebus will rejoin the company as chairman of the board. Former CEO Carrie Wheeler resigned last month following a pressure campaign from investors. And guys, I have to admit that in my opinion, it is not the main catalyst for Opendoor stock. It is just a part of the events that happened, and that was the reason of its movement to the upside. The main reason why it is so parabolic is that it is very popular stock among retail investors. First of all, let me show you this. Here is the wait a second. Here is the total number of institutional ownership. The institutional value is $185.342 million. If you compare it with the total market cap of this company, $7.74 billion, you can see that this number is just a tiny number. And this means the main catalyst for this stock is the retail community. And here you can see that this stock is the stock number one among the stocktweets.com website, and it is number one on watcher section. Take a look at most active section. Yes, it is the first one in the most active section. Let's take a look at trending. And on the trending section, it is at the second place. On top of that, if you take a look at the appwisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity on Reddit, on Wall Street Bets community, you can see that Opendoor is on the first place in this list. This means, guys, it is extremely I would say it is a overhyped company, and it is a meme stock, pure evidence of the meme stock. So let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to admit that I set a more conservative target in my previous video at $8.81, and this asset hit this price target with the flying colors. It break this level without any obstacles, as you can see right here, and it hit my most aggressive price target to the tick and had a reaction. And potentially, guys, we have the top of our internal third wave right here, and if you dig deeper inside these movements, you can see that we have completed all 5 waves into this structure, and potentially we have a chance to see the retracement into the 4th wave. Guys, where the 4th wave might land? Let's delete unnecessary tools. I don't need basically both scales. And if my assumption is correct, and if this is the 3rd wave, we can project the level of retracement. If this is the top, let's pull the Fib retracement tool from the bottom of the 3rd wave to the top of the 3rd wave. And according to Elliott wave theory, the 4th wave might land somewhere in between 0.236 level all the way down to 0.5 level. And guys, take a look right here. We have a confluence with the structural level of support, its previous swing high that it established on September the 8th, and probably 0.382 might be a very good contender of the bottom of the 4th wave. On top of that, if this 4th wave will touch this level of support, let me show you like this. If I make this line longer, and if we touch it somewhere here, we will have a double confirmation of this structure of this bottom, and in this case it will be able to hit its next price target of the top of the 5th wave. So for now, guys, I have to admit that I don't see any signs of bearish divergence on higher time frames. Yes, this asset is extremely overbought according to our side, but it has a very high momentum according to MACD, and we don't have any bearish divergences on a higher time frames on daily time frame, except these two tops. But in my opinion, we have to rely on closest tops right here. On a 12 hours time frame, we also have we don't have basically bearish divergence, but this asset is still in overbought condition. 6 hours time frame, the same picture. 4 hours time frame. Well, right here we can rely on this level as a double top pattern, but in general the momentum according to MACD is extremely high. That is why, well, it can be another leg to the upside, but I highly encourage you not to bet on this leg, because most likely the next leg will be to the downside. That is why be cautious, and if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.